Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Janis and today we're going to be making flower crowns. I'm going to be making 2 crowns, and so I picked up a couple of supplies from the dollar store. So I got 2 different types of flowers. One was fall theme and the other one is a little bit of a winter theme. And so I also got a glue stick, I picked up a glue gun and a headband. And that's pretty much all you're going to need. And so here are the flowers that are for the fall that I picked up. They were $1 each. They're really pretty. So I'm just going to go ahead and take the flowers off of the little packet, and you're going to need to use your scissors to cut the ends of the flowers. So the parts that look like the sharp sticks. So just be careful when you're doing this. So now I'm going to begin to cut those sharp ends of the flower, and so you can go at your own pace doing this. It's super easy. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take that headband, and again I got the headband from the dollar store as well. So I'm just putting the flower on the band just to see where I want to start off. I suggest leaving a little bit of space at the end of the band before you start adding the flowers to the band. And so as you can see, I'm pointing at those sharp ends. That's what I'm going to be gluing onto the band to make it easier for me to have the glue stick. And so now you can see I'm just adding the glue onto the band. And when you're doing this, guys, you want to work a little faster so the glue doesn't dry off really quick. So as you can see, I'm pretty much done adding the flowers to the band. You can add as much flowers as you want. For this flowers, I don't really want to add a lot because I don't want it to feel heavy on my head. And so as you can see, it's already done. I'm just showing you around the band. These flowers are really pretty. So now I'm going to start off with the other flowers, and so these are the flowers that I said was a little bit of a winter theme. It's so shiny and sparkly, I really like it. So I tried cutting off the roots of the flowers, but it was really easy to just pull off the flowers. So I'm just pulling the flowers apart. It was super easy. So what I'm doing right now, I'm turning the flower around and I'm cutting the little sharp ends, and so I just want that flower to be flat when I put it on the band, and so this is going to make it a lot easier for you to attach the flower with using that glue. And when I'm going to make this, I'm going to add as much flowers as I can on that band, because these flowers are a lot more thinner than the other ones, and so I know it's not going to be heavy if I wear the crown. So as you can see, I'm just attaching the flower using the glue method again, and I'm almost done now. Remember, I said add as much flowers as you can. It just depends on if the flowers are really thin. These flowers were really thin, and so I just wanted the headband to look really full. So I'm pretty much done with the flower crown, and so this is the result. It's really pretty and shiny. And so this goes for the winter crown, and then the next one is the fall crown. And remember, I said I didn't want to make this one too full because I know this one's a little bit heavier than the other ones. So it's really pretty. I really enjoyed making this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up and share it around with your friends. If you want to see more videos like this, just leave a comment below if you have any questions. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching this video again. Have a wonderful day.